Ladies and gentlemen, if you're anything like the thousands of gamers, content creators, and professionals I've spoken with over the past year, you're tired of sacrificing performance, battery life, or build quality. You've had enough of laptops that scream of mediocrity the moment you open them, or those that promise the world but deliver only half-baked solutions. Well, I'm thrilled to say that those days are behind us. Let me introduce you to the Lenovo LOQ gaming laptop, a powerhouse of a machine that shatters expectations and resets the bar. But before we dive into the review, let's talk about the elephant in the room. What truly sets this laptop apart from its counterparts is its ability to provide exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and a robust feature set, all without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard that right. A gaming laptop that delivers and still keeps your wallet smiling. When it comes to high-end gaming laptops, you're bound to face two options: compromise on your budget or spend an arm and a leg for the absolute best. But what if I told you there's a third option? One that doesn't ask you to choose between form and function. Lenovo LOQ gaming laptop takes the best of both worlds and presents it to you on a silver platter. This laptop embodies the perfect blend of style, substance, and sheer power. Now, let's start by taking a look at its design and build. I've always been a fan of sleek and minimalist designs, and Lenovo LOQ certainly doesn't disappoint in this regard. At 15.6 inches, this FHD laptop boasts a stunning 1920 by 1080 IPS display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, 100% sRGB color gamut, and 300 nits of peak brightness. But what really caught my attention was the inclusion of GSYNC, a feature that eliminates screen tearing and provides a silky smooth, stutter-free gaming experience. I've spent hours binge-watching my favorite shows and indulging in intense gaming sessions on this beast. And trust me, it's like having a cinematic experience in your own living room. The moment you lift the lid, you'll be greeted by Lenovo's signature keyboard, complete with numpad, arrow keys, and backlit keys that illuminate your way in low-light conditions. The typing experience is smooth, responsive, and surprisingly quiet, making it perfect for prolonged gaming sessions or late-night work. Speaking of which, let's talk about performance. Under the hood lies the mighty AMD Ryzen 5 7235HS processor, which brings 4 cores, 8 threads, and 8 MB L3 cache, and an impressive boost clock of up to 4.2 GHz. To go alongside this powerhouse, Lenovo packs 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, a generous 1 TB solid-state drive, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4056 GB graphics card with a boost clock of 2,370 MHz and TGP of 105W. Now, if you're anything like me, the mere mention of that spec sheet would have you grinning from ear to ear. With such an impressive arsenal of tech, you'd expect high-end performance across the board. So, let's get down to business. For work, I had no issues running multiple resource-hungry applications, from Adobe Premiere to Blender, without any lag or slowdowns. And of course, for gaming, Lenovo LOQ truly shines. I played the latest titles, from Cyberpunk 2077 to Call of Duty, 144 Hz with graphic settings cranked up to maximum. And trust me, the experience is nothing short of breathtaking. But, just as the old adage goes, with great power comes great responsibility. You see, the RTX 4050 GPU has an official TGP of 105W. Now, while this is still a relatively high-end GPU, it's also the reason behind the rather impressive cooling system employed by Lenovo LOQ. That being said, the laptop can get a tad hot under load, especially during prolonged gaming sessions. However, the cooling fans did a surprisingly good job of managing the temperatures, making sure you can game comfortably for hours on end. Now, let's discuss the ports and connectivity available on Lenovo LOQ. You get 3 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, 1 HDMI 2.1 port, and a single Ethernet port, all perfectly spaced for easy access. Yes, this does mean the absence of Thunderbolt 3 support, but I'd argue it's a small price to pay for the robustness and sheer power on offer. Moving on to the privacy and security aspects, Lenovo LOQ boasts a backlit Wi-Fi 6-enabled laptop and comes with an optional privacy camera. Yes, you heard that right, optional. This feature allows you to cover your webcam with a physical shutter when not in use, ensuring you have complete control over your digital presence. Operating system. Lenovo LOQ gaming laptop comes with Windows 11 Pro, which is perfect for those who require a more secure and feature-rich experience. You also get direct access to DLC Accessory, which offers you the flexibility to expand your library of games and content. Pros. Exceptional performance across the board, stunning 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz display, robust feature set, including GSYNC, Wi-Fi 6, and backlit keyboard, comfortable and quiet typing experience, generous 32GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB SSD, excellent cooling system, Windows 11 Pro, for enhanced security and performance. Cons. A tad expensive compared to budget options, battery life could be improved, no Thunderbolt 3 support in comparison to its contemporaries. Lenovo LOQ stands out as a true powerhouse. Other gaming laptops, like the Dell G15 or the HP Omen 16, may promise similar specs, but falter when it comes to performance. With Lenovo LOQ, you get a seamless experience that's as smooth as a high-end smartphone and as powerful as the latest gaming console. As for the price, it's a bit higher than what we'd ideally like to spend, but trust me when I say that the value you get here is unmatched. Considering the impressive specs and sheer performance on offer, I'd say that Lenovo LOQ is worth every penny. In my final verdict, it's clear that Lenovo LOQ is not just another gaming laptop. It's a true powerhouse that sets new standards for the industry. With its unbeatable combination of performance, visuals, and features, Lenovo LOQ gaming laptop truly is a gem of a machine that will satisfy even the most demanding gamers, content creators, and professionals on a budget. The verdict is clear. If you're in the market for a top-notch gaming laptop, I repeat, do not look any further than Lenovo LOQ. Trust me, you won't regret it.